Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's have an overview and review of Prime Minister Narendra Modi China visit. Right choice for India and China to be friends. Prime Minister Modi, Xi Jinping commit to taking the ties based on mutual trust, stability and sensitivity. India is committed to taking forward its ties with China based on mutual trust, respect and sensitivity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Chinese President Xi Jinping as the two leaders held wide-ranging talks to reset the bilateral relations. The Prime Minister noted that there is peace and stability along the border following last year's disengagement process, adding that direct flights between the two countries are being resumed. In his opening remark during the delegation level talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chinese President Xi Jinping said the world is going toward transformation. China and India are two of the most civilized countries. We are the world's two most populous countries and part of the global south. It is vital to be friends, a good neighbor, and the dragon and the elephant to come together. India is ready to advance bilateral relations from a strategic and long-term perspective on the basis of mutual respect, interest, and mutual sensitivity. Prime Minister Modi said it is important for India and China to work together to bring stability to the world economic order, as he asserted that New Delhi is ready to advance bilateral ties from a strategic and long-term perspective based on mutual respect, interest and mutual sensitivity. President Xi Jinping said this year marks the 75th anniversary of China-India diplomatic relationship. Nations need to handle our responsibility from a strategic and long-term perspective. We must also step up to our historic responsibility to uphold multilateralism, a multipolar world, and more democracy in international institutions, and work together for peace and prosperity in Asia and around the world. Chinese President Xi Jinping said India and China are two ancient civilizations in the East. We are the world's two most populous countries and we are also important members of the global south. We both shoulder the historical responsibility of improving the well-being of our two peoples, promoting the solidarity and rejuvenating of developing countries and promoting the progress of human society. Thank you.